I'm back at it again with another Marry Me recipe, this time for chicken pasta. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and all of my Marry Me recipes will have someone swooning over you, honey. Let me show you how to make this. Okay, you guys, I used an Italian pasta called maltadine. Hopefully I pronounced that right. It kind of reminds me of thin lasagna noodles, but you can use any pasta shape. I also recommend spaghetti because it will cling to the pasta really great along with fettuccine. I also have broth here, some heavy cream, and real grated Parmesan Reggiano cheese. I don't recommend you use cheese that comes in a bag. Get a block of cheese that says Parmesan Reggiano and grate it yourself. You will taste the difference. It's so much better than that fake Parmesan regular cheese. For the chicken, I'm using diced chicken thighs. You can also use chicken breast. If you want to use fully cooked chicken, go right ahead. I'm gonna start by adding some olive oil to a pan here. This is a 12-inch cast iron skillet. I'm also going to cook the pasta directly in this sauce. No need to boil it separately. So I've got the olive oil in there. Now I'm going to add my chicken as well. Then I have my spices here. Check out the description box below. I have detailed measurements of everything I'm using. It's Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, some garlic powder, salt, pepper, you know, kind of just the standard seasonings here. I'm gonna sprinkle those in. I'm gonna cook this chicken for about maybe 5 minutes or however long it takes until it's no longer pink. Look, this is why I like to use chicken thighs. Y'all, look at how juicy that chicken is. From here, I removed the chicken from the pan and add in some broth, the cream. I added in some additional Italian seasoning along with the sun-dried tomatoes. Here you can stir and give everything a taste and adjust the spices as necessary. And I'm gonna add in that pasta. I don't break it down. It fits just fine in this 12-inch cast iron skillet. And you want to make sure you have enough liquid to fully submerge the pasta. So if you need to add more broth, do that. You can also add more cream if you like, and then place a lid on the pot and let this simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or however long it takes for that pasta to soften up. But again, it's really key for that pasta to be fully submerged in liquid. Otherwise, it's not going to soften up. So once the pasta has softened up, I'm gonna go in and add my Parmesan Reggiano cheese along with some fresh spinach. This gives us the perfect pop of color. And then I'm going to fold to combine the ingredients. I don't like to do a lot of stirring here because that may result in mushy pasta. So just kind of gently fold to combine those ingredients. You can see that pasta is thickening it up even more. One thing I love to do is the sun-dried tomatoes will come in olive oil. If you want like a little bit more sauce in your pasta, you can drizzle some of that oil in there. Now I'm adding the chicken back and I'm still using my folding technique here to get everything combined. And that is it. This is so easy to make. It's a one-pot dish. And when I tell you, you will have somebody in love, honey, let me know if you try this.